Hi viewers, you are on a right place to know everything about Xlookup. Let us do a simple Xlook first. I want lookup for name against this employee ID from my master table laying in this sheet. I will write equal to Xlookup, open parentheses. Here, we have all the arguments available in Xlookup. We will focus on these three mandatory arguments first. In lookup value, select the value for which we are looking for. Then comma. In lookup array, I will select the employee ID column where the lookup value exists. Press F4 for absolute reference to lock the range for lookup array. Then comma. In return array, we will select the name column where the names are available against each employee ID. Press F4 for absolute reference to lock the range for lookup array. Close parentheses, hit enter. Now let's copy the formula to other cells. You can now see it shows the names against the employee ID which exist in this table. It also gives us an A error for those employee which is not available in this table. These employee IDs are actually available in this table. So let's use if not found argument to look up values in multiple tables. I will instruct Excel to look up against employee ID in this table. And if it didn't found in this table, then look in another table. Let's clear the cells and apply the same formula with an additional argument called if not found argument equal to Xloop employee ID, comma, lookup array, comma, return array, comma. For not found argument, I will apply another Xloop lookup for the same value. In lookup array, I will select employee column from this table. And similarly, return array, comma. Here, I will write double quotes. It means, if still not found in both the tables, then give me an empty cell. Now close parentheses 2 times and hit enter. Now you can see that it gave me result from 2 tables. While for the last employee ID it returned an empty cell because it is not available in both tables. Now I want to add category against each employee. The category will be provided by considering each employee salary. In this table we have salaries available. The category against the salary range is provided in this table. Here we are not looking for exact match only. Instead, we will look for approximate and exact match against the salary. Write Xlookup. For lookup value, select the salary, comma. For lookup array, select the salaries column from this table. Press F4 to make it absolute reference to lock the cells. For return array, select the category column. Press F4 to make it absolute reference to lock the cells. Comma. Again comma. Because we are not giving the if not found argument. In match mode, we will select exact match or next smaller item. Hit tab key. Close parentheses and hit enter. Now drag to copy the formula to all employees. You can now see that it shows category against each employee. Thanks for watching.